Almost walked into the spider web.
Yeah, General.
No, wait a minute. I got to show. This spider. I almost walked it through. I thought it was that big one down there. Look, there's one right there. He jumped at me. Look, he tried to bite me. He's trying to bite me. He tried to bite me.
You gotta clean the spider web.
No, he tried to bite me. He tried to bite me. He got a broom. Oh, this is an even bigger one. Look at him. He looks deadly. If he bites you, you'll die 24 hours. Look at him. That's the little one.
There's a small spider around here. Hands will fall off.
Because I will kill you. For real. Hey, what's that I heard in the woods? That sounds like something from Jurassic Park.
Some cats over there.
That's some cats over there. Okay. I had to.